Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an SAT study plan. First, take a full-length diagnostic SAT practice test. This helps you understand your current skill level and identify specific areas where you need to improve. Analyze your scores carefully to pinpoint weaknesses in math, reading, or writing. Then, set a realistic target score based on your college aspirations. This initial assessment is crucial for building an effective plan. Next, create a structured study schedule. Aim for at least 10 to 15 hours of study time each week, spread across several days. Break your sessions into manageable 45 to 60-minute blocks to maintain focus. Consistency is key, so stick to your schedule as much as possible. Remember to include full-length practice tests, perhaps one every 2 weeks, to simulate exam conditions. Now, focus on mastering both content and strategy. Review all core SAT concepts in math, grammar rules, and reading comprehension techniques. Simultaneously, learn effective test-taking strategies for each section, especially time management. Utilize official SAT study guides and reputable online resources to ensure you are studying relevant material. Understanding both what to study and how to approach the test is vital. Finally, practice consistently and refine your approach. Regularly complete practice questions and full-length tests to build endurance and familiarity. Crucially, review every incorrect answer to understand why you made a mistake and how to avoid it next time. Don't be afraid to adjust your study plan based on your progress and performance. This iterative process will help you achieve your target score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.